Ever feel powerless against that chocolate bar at 3 p.m? You know you shouldn't, but you just can't resist. We've all been there. That's your brain's reward system craving a dopamine hit. But here's the good news. You can rewire those cravings. Welcome to Book 2 Act, where we ignite your soul and inspire your dreams. Today, we're diving into how to rewire your brain. Imagine this. When stressed from work, you reaches for cookies. Sound familiar? The sugar gives you a quick boost, but the guilt and sluggishness follow. You want to stop but feels trapped in the cycle. The truth is, our brains are wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain. So we gravitate towards easy rewards, even if they harm us in the long run. But what if we could train our brains to crave healthier choices? It's entirely possible. Just like you can train your muscles, you can train your brain to break free from unwanted cravings. Step 1. Not magic, but science. Neuroplasticity, your brain's incredible ability to change and adapt, is the key. Every time you repeat a behavior, you strengthen specific neural pathways. The more you indulge a craving, the stronger it becomes. But here's the empowering part. You can weaken those pathways and build new ones. It's about consciously choosing different responses. Start by becoming aware of your triggers. Is it stress, boredom, or a specific time of day? Once you identify your triggers, you can create a when-then plan. For example, when I feel stressed in the afternoon, then I'll take a 5-minute walk instead of reaching for chocolate. Remember, consistency is key. Every time you choose the healthier option, you reinforce the new pathway, weakening the old one. Step 2, your action plan. Start small. Don't try to overhaul everything overnight. Choose one craving you want to tackle and focus on that. Instead of completely eliminating your favorite treat, try having a smaller portion or a healthier alternative. Focus on adding healthy habits instead of just restricting. Craving sugar? Reach for fruit first. Feeling stressed? Try a quick meditation or breathing exercise. Track your progress. It doesn't have to be complicated. Simply mark a day on a calendar every time you successfully resist a craving. Visualizing your progress can be incredibly motivating, and most importantly, be kind to yourself. It's okay to slip up occasionally. What matters is that you get back on track and continue rewiring your brain towards healthier choices. Step 3, one step at a time. Repeat after me. I'm capable of change. I have the power to make healthier choices. Believe it, embrace it, and watch your transformation unfold. Now for this week's mini challenge, identify one craving you want to tackle and create a when-then plan. Write it down and stick it somewhere visible. Are you ready to break free from the chains of cravings and take control of your health and well-being? Thank you for watching. If you found this video inspiring, please hit like, band, subscribe for more. Track your progress with our free habit tracker PDF.